that it's very easy to change your YouTube background, especially if you identify maybe the place where you are shooting your videos is not conducive enough, maybe it's not appropriate enough, or maybe there is no much lighting in that environment, and you want to produce those beautiful videos of yours, but you're always looking at your background. You might be, maybe you are not confident enough with your backgrounds, or maybe the background is not just well lit before, because when you're shooting your videos, your background as well also added to more views. Sometimes when people come to your videos, they don't just watch you or watch your videos. Even your backgrounds can also attract people to come and watch you on your videos. So if you have this beautiful background, this can also maximize your view count as well as subscribers on your videos. So stay tuned. Into this video, I'm going to show you one tool or one app that I normally use to change my YouTube background. Sometimes it's very hard. You come home, you find out that the house is full of people. When you live with a large family, so it's not everywhere you are free to shoot your videos. So I mostly use backgrounds. Most of the backgrounds I use are really fake backgrounds just to cover it up. So I'm going to share you the secret of how I maximize and use the backgrounds to change my view. So if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Maria. I help YouTubers like yours to grow their own YouTube channel. So let's head over to this app that I'm going to show you step by step on how to change your backgrounds to a reality. So the app I'm talking about here is the CapCut. So if you head over to your mobile phone on your apps, you click on the CapCut, then you click on new project. From new project, the first thing you wanted is your background. So head over to your photos and choose the background. So the background I wanted here is this background I'm going to use. You click on the add button. So it is here. So make sure when you've already downloaded your background, make sure increase the length to the length of the video. So the video I'm going to use is about 1 minute 42 seconds. So I'm gonna adjust it to 1 minute 42 seconds so that it will have the exact length of my video. So this one is 1 minute 43, which is okay. I can adjust this. So you go to the start of the background. So the next thing that you need to go to overlay. This is overlay. You click on the add overlay, and then you go to videos, and then you look for the video that you wanted, which is this one, which is 1 minute 40 seconds. So with this video now, you've already added the video. So from there, you go to aspect ratio. You look for aspect ratio. From aspect ratio, you click the 16.9, which is that's the YouTube version of, because you want the length or your videos to be as a YouTube version. So you click on the 16.9, you go okay. You click on the background, you expand the background. From there, you expand your background. You can't see it there. That is okay. So you click on the video as well. You want to expand the video as well. So after expanding the video, the next thing is to remove the background. So you look for the app that says remove background, which is this one, remove background, auto removal. Voila, your background has been removed. Now you can adjust your videos to where you want it to be. For me, I want it to be on this side. I like it to be in the middle. So voila. So that is it. That is your background. So now make sure that you play the video from the beginning to the end and save it. It's very easy to change your YouTube background, especially if you identify maybe the place where you are shooting your videos is not conducive enough, maybe it's not appropriate enough, or maybe there is no much lighting in that environment. Now you save the video by clicking on the export. You save it and you wait for it to export. And now it's done. You click on done. You go back to new project from CapCut. you look for the video, the new video that you've just exported, the one that you save, you click on it.
Do you know that is very...
And now the next thing we need to look at is we're going to look how we can resize this video. So you click on the video and then you go to the app I'm looking for. Is transform. Go to transform. From transform, you go to resize. From resize, you look for the YouTube version, which is the 16.9. And then you make sure that you drag the video is already on its size. The video is in a size, you click OK. Now you go to, if the video is clicked, make sure you unclick it, don't click the video. Now you go to aspect ratio again, then you go to 16.9, click OK. From there, now the app that I most love is the adjust. You go to adjust, the next app, that is if you want a clearer picture. You go to adjust to my favorite adjustment color or whatever you want your video to look like. My favorite one is the sharpening, because I want my video to be sharpening. So you click on the sharpening, so you adjust it, you know how you want your video to be sharpened. For me, it's just a little bit, so I just leave it on. Does it count? I didn't see the number, so I leave it just a little bit sharpened. Then you click OK. From OK, and you make sure that you play the video from the beginning to the end again. So after adjusting, now you save. So when it's done, so if you want to change the voice of your video, so the first thing you need to go, you go to new project again on your CapCut. So you extract, that is the video on, you choose the video that you just saved. So you choose the video. So when you choose the video, so the first thing you need to do, that is if you want to change the volume of your video, that means if you haven't got a microphone or you're just using an ordinary sound, that is your phone sound. You know, when you use your phone sound is different to when you use a microphone. So if you don't have a mic yet using your videos, so this is a very good tool to change the sound of your video as well. So how do you do it? So when you extract the video that you just adjusted, so the next thing you need to do, so make sure you increase all the volume. You see, my volume is to the maximum. So what you do next, you click on the video. So from the video, you look for the enhance. This is the enhance voice. From the enhance voice, you click on OK. From OK, after increasing, make sure that the volume is increased. So first, you play the video to the end.
You know that it's very easy to change your YouTube background, especially if you identify maybe the place where you are shooting your videos is not conducive enough. Maybe.
So from there, what you do, you cut the area that you don't want. So you cut it, delete that side, you adjust it, and you save. Save the video. So when it's done, you go back to new project. You're going to choose the video that you wanted. From there, make sure your video is at the top maximum of volumes. So now you choose the video. So this is the video you want. So the first thing you need to do, you need to mute it because you want to extract the audio to change it from your original sound to give it that beautiful sound. So now the original sound is muted. You've already muted the original sound. So now you go to extract. You choose the video that you saved. So you see the audio is already on. So now you're not using your original sound. The sound that is coming now is the sound from the audio. So it's going to give you a very pleasant sound and not your original sound. That means if you're not using a mic to record your videos. So this is how you can generate a mic from using your phone to give you a very beautiful sound. So now you need to make sure that your volume is at the top. Check your volume that is to the top. and then you can play your video to the end.
Do you know that it's very easy to change your YouTube background, especially if you identify maybe the place where you are shooting your videos is not conducive enough, maybe it's not appropriate enough, or maybe there is no much lighting in that environment, and you want to produce those beautiful videos of yours, but you're always looking at your background. You might be, maybe you are not confident enough with your backgrounds, or maybe the background is not just well lit before, because
so from there, the next thing you need to do, make sure that you cut the side that you don't want, and you save, that is, you export the video, save it. That is it. So this is how you save your video. Then your video is ready for you to download it to YouTube. So you can either, if you're not ready to download it yet, you can either say done, you save it. Maybe if you want to add some features on it, you can save it first. Or if you want to upload, you can upload it straight away to YouTube by clicking the YouTube. You can see the YouTube, you can see Instagram, you can see WhatsApp, you can see what Facebook. It depends where you want to download it or share to TikTok. So for me, ideally, is YouTube. For me, ideally, what I normally do, I save it first. I click on done. So from done, because I've got other features that I need to add on that video before I can then download it to YouTube. So voila. So now you see the usefulness of having a CapCut. CapCut is very free. When you download the app on your phone, you use it step by step, just like the way I showed you through. You can see the difference, how your videos will improve, not just your background, but also the sound system, especially if you haven't had a mic to use. You can also use the audio setting side to change the voice of your ordinary phone, because you know when you use the ordinary phone without an audio, it's still, the sound is still there, but it's not that attractive enough like when you use the audio that is on CapCut. So there's a different sound system there. So this is really, really helpful. Let me know in the comment section below if you find this content very helpful, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification button on so that each time I upload any videos like this, you will be the first person to know. I will see you on my next video. You take care now. Love you all. Bye. Bye.